Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some smoky eye makeup tutorial for the beginners. So let's start. For that I'm using Mars glitter eyeshadow. Also I'm using the Revlon eyeshadow palette, so you can see how much I have used it. And just a kajal pencil, that's it. So let's start. First I'll do the concealer. I'll just put a little bit of concealer. It's important. So as I'm doing the eye makeup, so concealing around the eye is important. I've already moisturized my skin. First you need to moisturize your skin so that it hydrates well, and also the concealer blends well in your skin. So I don't put foundation because the concealer, just little concealer gives a no makeup look. So next what I do, I am just putting the kajal. So I just overline here a little bit. So kajal is done. I'm just using the Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm using the color black. Just smudge around your eyes. Mild color, this color at the top note. I'm just using this Mars glitter. Just a little bit here. That's it. There's it. The extras I just blend it here. A little bit of eyeshadow. In this tipsy lip oil, so this gives a little bit of tinted glossy lip, which I really like when you this is how you do it. You see kind of a glam smoky eye makeup which you can do. It's very simple for the beginner.